Here we've got Samsung Galaxy M31, and let me show you how to locate total screen time on the following device. So at first let's open list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Now go to digital well-being and parental controls, and here you will notice the screen timeout right here. So you have it categorized into the apps, so you can check particular application and the time of usage of it. So for example, Google Chrome has been in use for 5 minutes, more than yesterday. Then you can check settings. As you can see, it has been used for 46 minutes. And here you can also check total goal. You can start and then make it work as you want to. And obviously you can click here to see the whole statistics. So that would be all. This is it, how you can check screen time. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.